Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am putting together some more really fun mystery boxes that I thought you guys could do your own unboxing. And so I'm going to tell you all about them. All right, so I've got some mystery boxes for you guys. I have an antique one that I still have put together, but all this other stuff is brand new stuff. And so this one I'm super excited about. So it's in a larger box because some of the items are a little bit big, but this is a mom's mystery box. It's got a couple of treats in here for mom, but it also has some things that are great if you've got kids. So this is just a lot of fun stuff that I thought if I put this together in a compilation, a mom is gonna love getting these things. So, and there's also a treat in there and some other fun items for your kiddos. All right, so this is a mom's mystery box. This one is an electronics mystery box. It's got a variety of electronics, a lot of things that I actually contemplated keeping myself, but my husband already says we have too much stuff in the house. So you guys get it in your mystery box. So this is all brand new electronics. And so that will be on my eBay website as well. So check the link below. I'm going to put all of these things in the link below. This is a crafter's dream box, okay? It's got tons and tons of stuff made perfectly for a crafter. This is going to be a little bit less just because I know that crafters like to buy lots of stuff at once. And so I'm going to price this one a little bit lower just so that you guys can purchase it at a reasonable price and see what you guys get in it. But I've got a couple of these crafter boxes, and so I'm super excited about them. All of these boxes are going to be in medium flat rate boxes. And so it will be a totally full to the brim medium flat rate. So I'm super excited about these mystery boxes. I've also still got some toy mystery boxes available for you, and everything in the boxes are brand new. So everything you get from me in these boxes are brand new except for my antique box because it's got specifically really old priceless items in it. So check out my mystery boxes. I'm going to put the links down in the bottom, and I hope you have fun doing your unboxing, and I want to hear all about it and what you thought of the items, and that will help me to make better mystery boxes so that you guys can enjoy the fun of unboxing your own box at a minimal cost compared to what I have to, you're not going to be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars like I do with some of my liquidation stuff. But anyway, this is all great stuff. I just have too much work to do this Christmas season and a lot of extra stuff with my family. And so I am wanting to basically give this to you guys at a really discounted price. All right. So these are great. I love them, and I'm excited to see what you guys think about them. So purchase them and let me know. Okay. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.